Welcome to Dave & Buster's, Master Designers. One of the best places to play video games. Here, we got the best experience and the best animation and from the best 3D video games the universe has ever seen. Let's review with the best one that I've taken a liking to. The Dave & Buster's Virtual Reality Experience. Here, you can select from many different games. There's Dragon Frost, Transformers, Men in Black, Balloon Rush, Top Gun, and even Jurassic World. I just hope they still have it. Anyway, let's move on to the gift shop. Excuse me, ma'am. On the virtual reality ride, do they have Jurassic World Live? Jurassic World? Yes. Do they still have it? I'm gonna have to check. I don't know what that was. They're probably just faking it. They have Jurassic World. They'll see. Woo! Guitar Hero, Jurassic Park. There's the pinball machine. I remember that game. Huh. I remember that one. Whoa! Huh. Another Jurassic World pinball thing. Now that's something worth playing. I bet I can play that. Would you look at that? Amazing. Dartboard. Oh, did I forget to mention that they have Terminator Salvation? This is the best place. This is one of the best games that I saw in the Alien. Okay. This is one of the best games to play. I saw it in the movie theater once. This game looks promising.
How to play. Push the start button. Push the car until it reaches Big Win target. Win tickets based on where the truck stops.
I still want to be able to play this game and be able to play others' games. I wonder if they still have that Avengers game. Let's see what we've done. Oh, I know that one. That one is called Rampage. Rampage is one of the best games to get tickets. Here you can play as George, Lizzie, and Ralph, and you can go on a rampage. And that way you can earn more tickets. This game is one of the best things to get tickets at. If you want to rack more prizes, I suggest you go with that one. I really don't know where we're going to find the Avengers thing, but there are lots of other games here to play. Back there is the movie theater, and the I really don't know where we're gonna see this. Whoa, look at that. classic Pokemon games. Now that's promising to look at. Hey, there's Crazy Tower. I saw that at the race car RPM raceway thing. Anyway, Dave & Buster's has been one of my best places of all time. I've been wanting to come back here ever since, and now I have. I think there's a boat back there or something. Let me go check. There's the buffet area. No, what else is new? Yeah? And I think this might be the bar area. Which is kind of one of the best things I've been to. Anyway, and there's the bowling alley back there. Guys, if you're getting this, I will come back again tomorrow, and I'll do the virtual reality ride, and I'll get the chance to experience this once and for all. Guys, if you're watching this, I hope you guys enjoy going to Dave & Buster's. This is literally one of the best arcades ever. Anyway, that's all for now. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what kind of character you're interested in. Just oh! Right. Oh, there's Contest of Champions. There you can play and collect cards. Did not notice that. Anyway, that's all for now, guys. And hope I see you guys again in the future. Stegosaurus, see you later.